This review is a Farmer's Fridge chocolate chia pudding. And I don't know if there's anything special. Here are the nutrition facts. 22 grams of fat, of which 15 are saturated, no trans fats or cholesterol, 160 milligrams of sodium, 30 grams of carbs, of which 8 are fiber, 19 grams of sugar, of which 15 are added, and 6 grams of protein. And here are the ingredients: coconut milk and cane sugar. Invert cane sugar. Oh boy. Alright, well let's give, oh, agave too. Huh. Let's give it a try. Alrighty. I don't have a spoon right now, so there's some cocoa nibs on top. Let me show you. There, cocoa nibs.
I'm gonna leave the cart. Yeah. Thank you so much. No texture. Yeah. I love when I'm like, I can chew with my mom.
Very thick. Sorry. Thick and chunky between the chia and the cocoa nibs and the strawberry. It's got a bit of a interesting flavor. Not exactly chocolate, not exactly strawberry. Kind of a gentle mixture. I'll give it a 7. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.